Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, children, let's start our class. Now we have a SST, Social Studies. So, Social Studies we have already discussed in our previous chapters. What about our Earth? In the first chapter, we have discussed then how the Earth looks. Then about our country, we have discussed the food we eat, the dress we wear, then the festivals we celebrate. Okay, then also we have discussed about our occupations, then means of transport. Okay, so now in this chapter, now in chapter 9, we'll discuss about means of communication. So, first, children, when you come to school or at home, you talk with your family members, with your friends, you discuss about your feelings, what you think. So, that is communication. So, first, we'll discuss what is communication. So, what do you mean by communication? Uh, when you talk to someone, we express our feelings. Okay, when you talk to your miss, then miss speak to you about studies. So, communicate means to be in contact with someone. Okay, or any people. So, what is the meaning of communication? Communication means you sending or receiving messages. So, when we talk to someone, we express our feelings, they also express their feelings to us. So that is in communication, we communicate with each other. So when we talk to our family, our relatives, if our relatives are living nearby, we can go to their home. But if they are living far away, we have to communicate how? By some means of communication, by telephone or writing letter. Nowadays, rarely anyone writing letter, because most of us using telephones or now internet or mobile phones, WhatsApp, Facebook, all those things. So that are the means of communication. So first means what is communication? When you communicate with someone, or that may be your friend or relative or teacher, whoever. Then means of communication means the ways by which the messages or information can be sent or received. Okay, so means of communication means likewise in the means of transport. So transportation means moving from one place to another. Means of transport means the vehicle or the thing we use to transport from one place to another, that is means of communication. Likewise, communication, means of communication. Communication means to communicate with anyone. The means of communication means the way or the things we use to communicate. Okay, so in ancient times, there was no telephone, no internet. So how they communicate? In ancient times, they communicate with sign language. Means if any danger, they show fire. Okay, you have seen when nowadays also it is used red light or yellow light in traffic signal, we use the signs. So in ancient time, people used to communicate through sign language or by beating drums. One person beat the drums, people gather, then they give the message. Okay, then by animals. By animals means people through animals. Some people will go using the animals to the far away to give messages. Also the pigeons were used to send messages. They write the cheats, they tie up in their legs, and they have such strength that they go to that destination. Okay, but it is a long process. Messengers, people are also their duty, they worked as messengers, they walk or they use animals to go from one place to another to give messages. But nowadays it is very difficult. With the development of science, we have also many means of communication. So today we will discuss about means of communication. Nowadays we are using mainly of three types. What are they? Then first one is postal communication, then telecommunication, another one is mass communication. So mass means to give a message at a time, a number of people, mass, to more than one. Then postal means from word to through post office we write a letter or inland letter or by telegram. Okay, so all these things we do through the postal communication. Then another one is the telecommunication means by talking over a phone, or nowadays we can use internet. Okay, so these all are different types of postal communication, telecommunication and mass communication. So today we will discuss about the postal communication. When messages are through post, that is called postal communication. So every city they have post office. So when we give or send or receive messages through post office, this is called postal communication. Letters are the most popular means of communication. Okay, so see in the picture, the letter is the most popular means of communication. Letters are written on postcards, on inland letters. Okay, then stamped the letters we have, on that we have to write the address. By that the postman give the letter, the person we want to give the message. Okay, so we can buy all these things from the post office. Postcard, inland letter, stamp, envelope, all these things we can get from a post office. Okay, so for an early and proper delivery of our letters, we must ensure that the address is complete. If you will not write the address, then to whom the postman will give the letter? So we have to write the address properly with pin code number. Pin code means postal index number. Postal index number. You have the postal index number is of 6 digits. In Cuttack, we have in some areas, according to area, the postal number also changed. Okay, now the postal index number or pin, it is of 6 numbers, 6 digit. Likewise, in our area, the pin code is 753001. In some places, it is 753002. So, according to area, it changes. Then, urgent letters and important parcels can be sent through speed post or courier. So, if we have give some urgent message, if someone is ill, we have to inform our relatives, or any official letter we get, and we have to send post any application for job, so it is urgent. So all these things we can send through speed post or courier service. Okay, so this is all about postal communication. Through post office we send or receive messages. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about telecommunication and mass communication. You read first what is means of communication, what is communication, then postal means of postal communication. You read the chapter. If you have any doubt, in the next class I will make it clear. Okay, that's all for today, children. Thank you.